Hey there and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create anchor links in Wix Studio. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to make your website even easier to navigate, allowing visitors to jump straight to specific sections in just one click. Anchor links are a fantastic way to enhance user experience, especially on longer pages. So let's get started. First up, head over to your Wix design. This means opening up your site in Wix Studio, right where you do all your editing and layout tweaks. Take a moment to make sure you're on the page where you want to add an anchor. These links work best when you have different sections that people might want to jump between, like About Us, Upcoming Events, or Contact. Now, select the section you want to create an anchor for. Maybe you're looking at a big block of info, a highlighted testimonial, or an event calendar. Click on that section to make sure it's highlighted. This step tells Wix exactly where your anchor is going to land, so your visitors end up in just the right spot. Next, you'll want to add some elements, and in Wix Studio, that's done by clicking Add Elements. If you're new to Wix, you'll find this option usually on the left-hand side, and it's kind of the gateway for anything you want to place onto your site. Give that a click. From the element options, select Menu and Anchor. Wix bundles these together because menus often use anchors to help route people around. Now, look for the Anchor option and click it to add an anchor to your chosen section. Don't worry if you don't see it right away. Sometimes you might need to scroll, but they're there. You'll notice an anchor icon appears on your section, and now it's time to name this anchor. This is a small but important detail. It's what you'll see later when you link your menu or buttons. My advice is to keep it as clear as possible. Say your section is labeled Upcoming Events. Just type that in as your anchor name. This makes it super obvious where the link will lead both for you and for your viewers. Now, let's connect the anchor to your site's horizontal menu at the header. Your horizontal menu is typically where visitors expect to find navigation links, so linking to anchors here feels natural. Click on the menu, then hit Manage Menu or Settings, depending on your Wix version. This opens up all the menu items you currently have, so just take a second to look through. To add your new anchor link, click Add Menu Item. You'll be given a choice. Instead of selecting a regular page, go for Anchor. You should see a list of all the anchors you've created on this page. Find the one you just made, say Upcoming Events, select it, and choose exactly where you want it to appear in the menu lineup. When you're happy, hit Done. Wix takes care of the rest, and now clicking this new menu item jumps straight to your anchor. And that's pretty much it. You've just set up a smooth, professional anchor link on your Wix Studio website. This technique is especially useful for one-page sites, landing pages, or any situation where you want visitors to find info faster. Think of it like creating shortcuts on a busy map. If this walkthrough helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or if you got stuck anywhere along the way, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help. And if you want more practical guides just like this, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy creating in Wix Studio.